At Gateway Buick GMC, located off I-270 and McDonald Boulevard, it's not just about a lot full of vehicles to choose from, but it's also about servicing your vehicle as well. Gateway has 37 service bays. With that many bays, that means you're in right away without even scheduling an appointment to maintenance your vehicle. Also, Gateway is offering amazing deals to save you money. For just $39.95, you'll get an oil change, tire rotation, they'll top off the fluids, and a complimentary car wash. There's the VIP gift card. With that card, the more you spend on servicing your vehicle, the more money you'll save on your next visit. How about the Winter Car Care Package? It includes an oil and filter change, tire rotation, wiper blade replacement, air filter replacement, and antifreeze protection check and battery check, so you're ready for the winter. How about this? When you purchase $249 of service, you'll enjoy a free complimentary rental car from the showroom. A great selection of 2014 GMCs and Buicks. And finally, think about the best tire special in the area. Gateway has the lowest prices in town on tires. If not, Gateway refunds the difference. That's a 30-day guarantee. Gateway Buick GMC, located off I-270 and McDonald Boulevard. Or visit them online at stlouisbuickgmc.com.